There's a strange law of the internet. Most people watch history, but a few rare ones control it. In the last 60 days, one faceless creator quietly bent the will of 75 million people. No fame, no face, no voice, just AI and a story. Look at their feed. One video pulled 41 million views, another 9.4 million, another 8.3 million. And YouTube didn't just reward them with views. It paid them between $24,000 and $71,000 per month. They didn't upload videos, they planted spells. Every thumbnail was a trap, every title, a whisper that you couldn't ignore, and every frame pulled you deeper until you forgot you even clicked. And today, I'm going to hand you that exact power. Not someday, not after years of editing, not once you learn animation. Number. Today, I'll show you how to summon cinematic history scenes using Google Veo 3 for free. Type a few words and watch entire battles, civilizations, legends materialize at your command. No camera, no studio, no permission. The only tool you need is willpower. Plus, I'll reveal how to unlock Google One Pro for free, completely legal. By the end of this video, you will never consume content the same way again, because you will become the one who creates it. So lock in, breathe slowly, and listen carefully. I'm about to show you how to bend the algorithm to your story. Let's begin. And now, it all begins here, inside ChatGPT. This is where history is reborn through a single powerful master script. I've spent countless hours crafting it, but in every word, every line, designed to spark entire civilizations to life. This isn't just a prompt, it's the heartbeat of your story. You'll find it in the description, shape it, and command your own piece of history. Paste the master script into ChatGPT's chat box and let it work. Immediately, it responds with a setup questionnaire, a checklist that shapes the entire video. Question 1. The maximum number of characters. Pick 2, 3, 4, or 5. Question 2. Should character names be auto-generated or provided by you? Question 3. The gender mix. All male, all female, or mixed. Question 4. The environment preset. Dry savanna, rocky plateau, and so on. Question 5. The story type. Questions 6 through 9, cover tone, camera style, outfit rules, and the number of scenes. To answer, copy the whole questionnaire and paste it back into the chat. Then reply with your choices. We'll walk through it together. For question 1, select 2 characters. For question 2, choose yes, let ChatGPT generate character names automatically. For question 3, pick mixed characters. For the environment preset, choose dry savanna. You may pick a different preset if you prefer. For story type, select survival. For tone, set it to majestic and cinematic. For camera style, choose cinematic wide shot. For outfit rules, select yes. For number of scenes, select 8 scenes. Once every question is answered, press enter. ChatGPT then begins producing hyper-detailed cinematic prompts. Scene 1 arrives first, rich, specific, and incredibly cinematic. Foreground, background, camera angles, mood, lighting, all described like a film director's notes. But as you scan ahead, notice something. By scene 2 and beyond, the level of detail begins to fade. The prompts get thinner, the descriptions aren't as deep, the cinematic clarity diminishes, and that's exactly where we take control, because the next step is where we bring those missing details back to life. To bring more depth and richness to every scene, we'll give it another carefully crafted prompt. First, we start by appreciating its effort. Always reward good work. Then we remind it to strictly follow the rules set in our master script without drifting from the original tone. Next, we point out what's missing. The scene consistency is fading, especially in background details and character descriptions. And finally, we instruct it clearly. Richness and cinematic balance. Every frame must feel alive. Then we hit enter. ChatGPT begins working again. This time its attention to detail feels sharper, more deliberate. Scene 1 loads beautifully, detailed and cinematic as before. Scene 2 follows, equally rich and consistent. Now, we'll closely observe the rest of the scenes to see whether ChatGPT maintains that same level of detail and harmony, or if the earlier issue of fading consistency still persists. But as we move to the next scenes, the cracks start to show again. The descriptions lose depth, the backgrounds blur, and the details fade away. By the time we reach scene 8, it's clear. The magic of the first scene is gone. The richness, the atmosphere, the balance between foreground and background, all missing. It seems ChatGPT hit its limit on scene consistency. Even though we're using ChatGPT 5, the results still weren't as perfect as we hoped. So it's time to put another powerhouse to the test. Google Gemini. Open a new tab and type Gemini. Click on the first link and the Google Gemini page will open. Here, we're using the Gemini 2.5 Pro version. And the best part? This version doesn't just generate text, it can also create images and even generate videos using Google's VEO 3.1. By the end of this video, I'll show you how to get Google Gemini Pro, completely free and 100% legal. Copy the master prompt we used earlier in ChatGPT and paste it right here into the Gemini chat box. Click Submit and let Gemini start processing. Just like ChatGPT, Gemini also generates the same 9 setup questions about the number of characters, character names, gender mix, environment preset, and so on. To answer them, simply head back to ChatGPT, copy the exact same answers we gave there, and paste them into Gemini's chat box. Then hit Submit. Now, let's see what a Gemini does with our master prompt. Instantly, Gemini begins crafting scene narratives. And right from scene 1, the difference is clear. The background is rich, the camera angles are cinematic, and the tone feels alive. Moving to scene 2, the same precision continues. Foreground, background, and emotion, all balanced perfectly. And as we scroll through the rest of the scenes, the consistency remains flawless. Even scene 8, which completely fell apart in ChatGPT, is now vivid, detailed, and beautifully structured. The backgrounds, the camera movement, and the storytelling flow, everything is exactly how we envisioned. Gemini didn't just follow the rules, it perfected them. All right, once all your scene prompts are ready, it's time to bring your story to life. You can create videos here using VEO 3, but it does have some limitations. That's why I'm switching to Google's AI tool called Flow AI. It's built specifically for filmmaking. First, let's copy the prompt for scene 1 and jump straight into the Flow tab. Now click on New Project. A new prompt box opens up, and right at the top you'll see several options like text to video and frames to video. We're going to select text to video. Next up, the model settings. Here's where we fine-tune everything before we hit go. Choose your aspect ratio. You'll see options for landscape or portrait. We'll go with landscape, perfect for cinematic visuals. Select the outputs per prompt. You can choose from 1, 2, 3, or even 4. We'll select 2 outputs per prompt, because having options means better creative control. Choose your model. Here you'll find VEO 3.1 fast and VEO 3.1 quality. Now keep in mind, VEO 3.1 fast costs 20 credits per generation, while VEO 3.1 quality costs 100 credits. We'll go with VEO 3.1 fast for quicker results. Now paste your scene 1 prompt into the box and click Submit. And now just wait for the magic to unfold. A few moments later, boom! Your videos are ready. And just look at that first glance. The characters look almost real. The background feels alive. It's like stepping back in time. Let's check both versions. Both are incredible. Rich detail, smooth motion, and perfect flow. But the second video stands out just a bit more, so we'll pick that one. If you think this video fits your style and looks great, you can simply download it to your desktop. Move your cursor to the top right corner and click on the download button. You'll see 3 options pop up: animated GIF, 270p, original size, 720p, upscaled, 1080p. We'll choose original size, 720p. Perfect balance between quality and performance. And just like that, our video is downloaded. Now it's time for scene 2. Copy the next prompt, paste it in the box, and hit Submit. After a short wait, the videos are ready. Let's preview the first one. Looks perfect, consistent with scene 1. Now the second one, also good, but the lady's chest isn't covered properly. So we'll stick with the first video and download it. Following the exact same steps, we've now generated all 8 scenes, each one crafted with precision, each frame bringing our story to life. Once all the clips were ready, we carefully downloaded the versions that best matched our vision, the perfect balance of detail, flow, and realism. Now comes the exciting part. It's time to bring everything together. All those separate clips will now become one seamless video. Once all our clips are downloaded, it's time to bring them together inside CapCut. Start by selecting all the clips and dragging them straight into CapCut's media box. Now, one by one, drag each clip onto the timeline in perfect sequence. First scene, then second, then third. Continue until all 8 scenes line up to tell your story from start to finish. With everything in place, it's time to add a touch of flow. For smooth transitions, we'll be using the fade-out effect. Drag it gently between each clip, one by one, until every scene melts into the next like a cinematic dream. Now, let's breathe some life into our visuals. Head over to color grading and fine-tune the look. Adjust saturation, contrast, highlights, blacks, and brilliance until the tone feels just right. You can customize these to your own style. This is where your signature touch shines through. When everything looks perfect, it's time to export the masterpiece. Click Export, choose your video's name and save location, then hit that export button. The rendering begins. Give it a moment. Your creation is almost ready to be seen by the world. First, let me fulfill the promise we made earlier. To show you how to get Google One Pro or Flow.ai Pro version absolutely free, and yes, 100% legal. Open Google Chrome and type Google One. Click the first link and a new window will open showing different subscription plans. The first is the basic plan for 49 cents per month. The second, premium plan at $2.49 per month. And the third, the one we're here for, Google AI Pro, which is totally free for 1 month. Take a moment to explore what this plan offers. You'll get access to Google Gemini 2.5 Pro with VEO 3.1, access to Flow.ai with limited VEO 3.1 features, and best of all, 1,000 monthly AI credits. Click Start Trial. A billing window appears with two options: monthly, which costs $0 for the first month and then $19.99 per month, or yearly, which costs $199.99 and saves you $39.89 per year. Since we're going for the free version, select the monthly offer and click Continue. Next, a payment method window appears. You can choose Cash App Pay, PayPal, Add Card, Redeem Code, or Pay on Phone. In our case, we'll select Add Card. Now enter your debit or credit card details and click Save. Sometimes Google might charge a $1 verification fee, but I actually got mine totally free. And don't worry, you can always cancel the subscription later to avoid any future costs. And there you have it. Your subscription is now active, unlocking tons of premium features. To verify, open a new tab and type Flow.ai. Click Create with Flow, and as the window opens, look at the top right corner. You'll see that Pro version is activated, along with your 1,000 AI credits. Now, you're all set. You can start creating your cinematic projects right now by clicking on New Project. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It truly means the world to us.